So for this meditation today, find your comfortable seat. Today I am using what I call my cushion. Sometimes I use the round one, but today this is most comfortable for me. I'm also going to prop my knees up because I like to have a little bit of height underneath. So again, make sure you're comfortable. It took me quite a while to get comfortable in a seated position with meditating. I used to lean against the wall to start, or lean against a couch or something like that. So whatever is most comfortable for you. You just want to create a long spine as long as you can. You want to sit as tall as you can, but also be relaxed and comfortable. So once you find that space, gently close your eyes and just tune into your breathing and relax your shoulders. I like to bring my index finger and my thumb together to close the energy circuit. Relax your shoulders, breathing, long, slow exhale. Practice breathing into your low belly and relax. Take a few more breaths here while you work on centering yourself, which is bringing yourself present and into balance. Relax. One of the things I like to do to bring myself into balance is to begin to balance those earth energies. So breathing, continue on with your breath. And from your sit bones or from your hip bones, just imagine your root chakra or roots coming down into the earth, reaching deep down in the earth. So these roots are going through the floor, bypassing roots and trees and rocks, tree roots, deep down into the earth. And these roots are traveling so deep that they circle themselves around the core of the earth. You're rooting and grounding. And now imagine your roots pulling up earth energy all the way up through your roots and back into your system, into your energetic system. Feel the nutritious soil, the nutrition and the soil surrounding your roots and giving your roots vital energy and nutrients and pulling those up into your system. Pulling this up into your body. Continue to tune in with your breath as best as you can. And now from the top of the head, just imagine this light pouring down from the sky, down through the crown chakra, down through the top of your head. And bringing this light down into your heart center. And pouring this light and this love energy down into your being. And now imagine back to the earth energy, the roots pulling up the earth energy and pulling this energy into your entire body, your entire being, and pulling itself up into your heart center. And imagine that light energy coming down from the sky, filling your entire being and pulling into the heart center as well. Just creating a big pool of energy that is circling around and growing. Just imagine this energy moving and expanding. Imagine it expanding beyond the size of your heart and your heart center, extending out beyond your arms and down through your back, your legs, all the way to your toes, your fingers. Imagine this energy pulling around and circling your entire body into every cell. You're continuing to pull this energy, noticing it coming up from the ground and down from the sky. Continuing to tune into your breathing. And as you're continuing this practice, feel that nice relaxing feeling of being in a nice warm bath envelop your entire body. That nice relaxation that comes with rest, relaxation, peace, quiet. Maybe the gentle sounds of water. That rest where you can let go and release. Breathing out slowly, breathing deeply into the belly as best as you can, while you allow yourself to relax in this bath of this flowing energy that is so nutrient rich and so balanced. You're feeling centered. You're feeling at peace. You're feeling calm. You're feeling ultimately relaxed. Take a few moments here to feel this, absorb it into every cell of your body. If your mind ever starts to wander, come back to your breath gently, lovingly, and kindly. Notice where it's been and bring it back to the breath. Just continue to feel that warm, relaxing feeling of relaxing in the bath. Breathing, feeling centered and at peace now. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. And let out a breath of fresh air. And breathe in a breath of fresh air. And relax. Great job. I have enjoyed this meditation and I'm sure you have too. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.